You are driven with a desire to achieve.
You want to live a happy and healthy life.
You want to have a sense of balance and financial freedom.
You want to change your life and make a difference in the lives of others.
You're looking for the right opportunity, and you're in the right place at the right time.
Welcome to Salad Master. At Salad Master, we aim to live healthy and wealthy.
We teach others how to feel better, look better, and live longer.
We help others reduce their risk of illness.
We demonstrate how to maximize the nutrition in food and minimize fat intake.
And we help others develop part-time or full-time careers with unlimited earning potential.
At Salad Master, we built the spirit of success, a proven opportunity that has changed lives for over half a century. Over the last decade, the direct sales industry has doubled from a $16 billion industry to over $30 billion. The time is right to capitalize on the escalating direct sales trend as we enter the height of the health and nutrition era.
Salad Master's innovative products attract a progressive, educated market where consumers of all ages are savvy, health-conscious, and extremely enthusiastic about improving their quality of life through better nutrition. When it comes to a healthy business, the Salad Master Spirit of Success program serves it up. Lucrative part-time income, satisfying full-time careers, flexible schedules, socialization, financial freedom, enriched business relationships, expert training and support, improved quality of life, and most important, the encouragement and camaraderie of like-minded individuals who share common goals and interests, in an environment that promotes a healthy and fun lifestyle.
That's the Salad Master Spirit of Success. Taste it for yourself. Six-figure income potential, exclusive world travel, valuable perks, meaningful relationships, an active and fun social life, and so much more. Not to mention embarking on a healthy way of life while enjoying a lifestyle rich with rewards. A lifestyle attainable to everyone who is motivated to climb the Salad Master ladder of success.